Look at these beautiful baked oats. My Christmas baked oats recipe, healthy, delicious, and oh so easy to make. The ingredients: flax meal, water, and rolled oats, baking powder, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, salt, chia seeds, vegan butter, plant milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, blackstrap molasses, apple, banana, toasted almonds, beautiful cranberries. Now that we know all the ingredients, let's move on. First, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Take a small bowl and combine flax meal with water and give it a stir. This is going to replace the egg, and then just stir it really well until it's combined and set it aside. And then we're going to move on to the next step. In a large mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients: rolled oats, baking powder, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, salt, the chia seeds, and then we're just going to give it a nice mix. Make sure you incorporate all those beautiful spices together. Check on the flax meal and the water. It's looking good. It should form like a gel kind of texture. And then that is going to go in another large bowl. This is where we're going to combine everything, you guys. So we're adding the vegan butter. There you go. The little bit of plant milk. Next, I've got some vanilla extract. Maple syrup, and then the blackstrap molasses. Oh, it's gooey and sticky. Let's get it all in the bowl there. All right. Then you're just going to give it a nice whisk just to make sure everything is well combined. So we've got all of our liquid ingredients looking good and happy. Mixed well. Then I'm just going to core the apple. I'm using an apple corer. You could just dice up your apple whatever way you want. We love the apples, right? Especially in the fall. They're so high in fiber, so delicious. Once the apple is cut up, we're going to slice up the banana. I learned how to do this at Baskin-Robbins, which was my second job. Does anybody remember Baskin-Robbins? Anyways, that was my second job I ever had. All right, so we're cutting up this banana, and then I'm just going to mash it up. So you can prepare it any way you feel works for you. I'm going to drop it into this bowl and then give it a nice mash with the back of a fork. Okay, that's looking good. Next, I'm going to toast the almonds. So just setting it on the stove top at a medium heat in a large pan. And you're just going to toss them a little bit and they're toasted. Next, we're going to add the oats to the wet ingredient, the oat mixture to the wet ingredients. Don't forget the banana. Then the diced apples. And then, of course, look at these little red gems. Beautiful cranberries, high in vitamin C. And they give that nice pop of fall flavor. And don't worry about them being tart because we've got that maple syrup and molasses combination going. So good. Then you've got the toasted almonds for that nice little crunch. Then you want to prepare a 9x13 baking dish. I'm putting some coconut cooking spray in there. Then you're just going to pour it nice and slow into the baking dish. It looks so good. Look at that Christmas deliciousness. I think in this video, I did not show dropping in the applesauce, but anyways, you want to add that to your wet ingredients, just going backwards a little. Anyways, now this is going in the oven, 350 for 40 minutes. And voila. Look at these beautiful baked oats. And honestly, you can add any kind of fruit or nut to this. Make it your own. If you feel like you want a little bit more sweetener, you can do that. It's totally versatile. I like to add a little bit of plant milk at the end, and then voila, there you go. Beautiful baked oats just in time for the holidays. I hope you guys try this recipe. There's so many different variations and things you can do with this. It's very user-friendly. Let me know what you think, and have a beautiful and amazing Christmas season. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.